Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm dealing with a Swiffer mop that when you press the button to pour out the fluid, it's not working. Normally you could hear like a vibrating sound, but it's not doing anything, so that means we have to change the batteries. Just flip it over. On the back of the mop is this purple tab. You slide. If I could do it with one hand, yep, I just got it off. And it has 2 AA batteries in it that we're gonna replace. I have the 2 new batteries installed, both AA. I'm just gonna flip it around so the arrow points up and then it slides right into that compartment and it'll click and we should be good to go. Yep, there we go. So it's pretty quick and easy. I do have a video on how to add your own cleaning solution to these containers to save you a few bucks. Just check my channel and you'll find that video. If this video helps you out, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks.